How to schedule tasks in Disney Plus. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on using or scheduling Disney Plus, scheduling tasks in Disney Plus. Now, Disney Plus does not have a native task scheduling or viewing schedule feature for standard content. However, you can manage your viewing and time spent on the app using the following method. That means you could track live event and sports. So you could access the agents like ESPN title in the navigation bar and scroll to the sports section to select the calendar icon as well. Now, while you cannot set a formal alarm, you can add an upcoming event or upcoming live event to your watch list by selecting the event and clicking the plus symbol for easy access when it starts as well. And to organize what you want to watch next, you could use Watchlist feature, which act as a manual queue. Like add a title, just go to the movie or show page and click onto the plus button. Your watch list is available in the main navigation menu as well. And that's how you'll be able to use the schedule task feature in Disney Plus. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.